It is a class of standard 6, subject English. Today's topic, the babies in wood. I have already taken 2 classes of this very chapter. Now I am going to start on page number 45 to 46. I have already remember you that the 2 children, John and Peter, became orphan after their father's death. They have already lost their mother in their very earlyhood. In later life, they lost their father, who was fallen ill, and his maternal uncle Teboth to rear up them. But his efforts were mischievous. He was a Sultan, and he was covered with the cloak of a very good man. He already called 2 robbers, and they pretend and they vowed them double reward if they slaughter them, they kill them in the deep forest in the far away. According to his maternal uncle's decision, the 2 children set up the 2 horses, guided by the 2 robbers, and they came to a deep forest. When they reached their destination, they talked to each other, but there was a doubt about the children. And they said that this is not the track of London. One of the robber was kind-hearted and the other was fully opposite to it. So they set the child and they began to argument. And in this critical situation, they fight each other, and the 2 children are now left in the deep forest, and the dark prevails, engulfed. The dark night engulfed the forest, and the 2 brothers and sisters were left under the tree. The robin breast, the birds help them. They collect warm leaves and they begin to sleep. But in course of time, in the blessings of God, prince and princess came and they found that the 2 children are lying under the tree. They put up the child and set up their own house. And they told them that this house is your now new house. And don't forget all sorts of towels. In the meantime, his maternal uncle was punished by God. This is the end of the story. Now I am going through the story. Jane was intimated when she heard these wrathful words. Jane was intimated. Intimated means ভয় পেল, জেম ভীত হলো। কিসের জন্য ভয় পেল? When Jane was intimated when she heard. Jane হচ্ছে মেয়েটির নাম, পিতা হচ্ছে ছেলেটির নাম। When she heard these wrathful words. Wrathful words means, what do you mean by wrathful words? Angry. রাগান্বিত শব্দগুলো দুটো ডাকাতে যে গল্প করছিল। হোয়াট ডাজ হি মিন, সে কি বলতে চায়? সে asked the other robber, surely you are not going to multitask, you are not going to multitask, আমাদের মধ্যে ভালো ব্যবহার করছেন না। No, 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 she said hastily, trying to soothe her, তাকে সান্ত্বনা দিচ্ছে। It will be the right, এটা ঠিক বলেছো। You and your brother can rest on the trees while I speak with my friend. তুমি এবং তোমার ভাই গাছের তলায় থাকো, আমি এতক্ষণ কথা বলিনি। আমার বন্ধুর সাথে পিটার and John are lifted from the horses and sat together in the shade of a tree. তার দিকে ঘোড়া থেকে নামিয়ে দেওয়া হলো এবং গাছের তলায় থাকলো। While the men went a little way apart and began to exchange heated argument, burning moment, burning topic, তাদের নিয়ে যে জ্বলন্ত সমস্যা। The kind-hearted robber said that he had not the heart to kill such a virtuous children. ডাকাতগুলোর মধ্যে একজন দয়ালু ছিল, সে বলে এরকম মহৎ ছেলেকে আমরা হত্যা করতে পারি না। But the other robber was very expected to see him in two minds. কিন্তু অন্য ডাকাতটির মনটি ছিল অন্যরকম। We are to get double the money we have now when the deed is done. আমরা যদি কাজটি করতে পারি তাহলে আমাদেরকে ডবল টাকা দেওয়া হবে। প্রথম ডিল হচ্ছে কাজ, দ্বিতীয় কাজ ডিল হচ্ছে দুভাগে পারফর্ম। Done, do it done. He said, do you think I am going to lose money because you have a faint heart? তুমি কি চিন্তা করেছো যে তোমার এই দুর্বল হৃদয়ের জন্য আমি টাকাটা লস করছি? He turned away and snatched up Peter. সে ঘুরে দাঁড়ালো এবং পিটারকে ছিনে নিল। But the other man dashed up to him and made him leave the boy alone. অন্য ছেলেটা কি করলো? পিটারকে নিয়ে তাকে ধাক্কা দিল, মারধর করলো। The next moment the two robbers were fighting in a desperate battle. কিছুক্ষণের মধ্যে দুজন ডাকাতের মধ্যে একটা বিভৎস যুদ্ধ শুরু হলো। While the children sat by and watched in terror, দুটি ছেলে তাদেরকে দেখতে লাগলো এবং ভয়ে ভীত হয়ে দেখছে। So fierce was the fight that it did not end until both the robbers lay dead on the ground. যতক্ষণ একটা রাবার বা নিজেরা মারা যাচ্ছে তখন পর্যন্ত ভাঙবার যুদ্ধ শুরু হচ্ছে। What shall we do? আমরা কি করতে পারি? Well, Jane in terror. জেল বললো, সন্ত্রাসে ভয়ে বললো, we are all alone in this terrible forest and it is growing dark and cold, অন্ধকার এবং ঠান্ডা হয়ে আসছে। এই নির্জন বনে আমরা কি করব? Never mind, কিছু মনে করো না, said Peter, trying to assure her, God will take care of us. ভগবান আমাদের মঙ্গল করবেন। They clung together and snuggling in each other's arms, they sobbed themselves to each other, smuggling to move in a one place in a comfort position. তারা একটা জায়গায় গেল যেখানে তারা আরাম বোধ পাবে। দুজনে একে অপরকে জড়িয়ে ধরলো। Of the trees, the robins were watching them. They knew that Peter and Jane lay there for long. They would die of cold. রবিন পাখি দেখলো যে জন আর পিটার শুয়ে আছে, তাদেরকে কিছু সাহায্য না করে তারা ঠান্ডা মারা যাবে। So they flew here and there, gathering leaves in their beaks and scattering them down the blankets on the sleeping children. এই ঘুমন্ত শিশুদের উপর শুকনো পাতা বিছিয়ে দিল, সেটা যেন কম্বলের কাজ করলো। Soon the leaves were heaped over them and no breath of cold wind come to disturb their sweet dreams. At rest of the page I will teach you in the next class. you will read the word meaning, and the very next day I will discuss about the questions and the remaining part of the chapter. Namaskar.